Hello and welcome to Roots Remedies. Our channel is mainly focused on traditional medicine, clean air, clean water, great natural foods, and everything that's good and healthy for you. We mustn't forget how important clean air is, whether we're outside or inside. So this video basically just shows our HVAC getting washed, our external unit getting washed as part of the servicing that was done this summer. Clean air is so vital for our health and for our longevity. I hope you took away something from this video. Most people don't know that the external unit can actually be washed. And once that is cleaned up, it also helps the whole system to work better in producing good quality circulation in the house. Clean air is really vital to our health, and that's the main message for today. Blessings to you all.